A lot of marketing is just about replicating other people's success. If you know where other people are successful and how they became successful, you can look at certain traits and not copy them per se, but you can actually take ideas from them so that you can also make your business around what they have done, because it is already proven to be successful. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can find out several Shopify stores that exist in the world and how you can pinpoint into your niche-based Shopify stores. You can even see dropshipping stores, a lot of different ways in which you can figure out what stores exist, especially the popular ones that have a good number of traffic. And of course, if they're getting a good number of traffic, so they're getting a good number of sales also. Once you find those stores, you can actually have a look at them. You can do your research, find what kind of products they're selling, what niches they are in, how they actually drive traffic. It's going to make your life a lot easier in the future. And hey, just knowing how you can find, Shopify stores at an instant is always a good trait, or should I say a good skill to have. So if you're ready, make sure to hit the like button below and let's dive in. Here we have Experito.com, and here you can spy on top e-commerce stores, reverse engineer these proven winners to replicate their success. As you can see, this is a very, very simple website that lists like 100 Shopify stores in one single page. And you can actually just, for example, if you want to see what PopSockets is doing, you can actually click here to view the list of bestsellers and click here to view their Facebook ads. But this link right here, it is like the Facebook campaigns thing. It does not work. It is taking me to like a 404 page, but still the best selling page might work if they've not hidden it, just to get some ideas on what all the popular stores are doing. And of course, if you go to say page 5 or page 6, that's where we start to see a lot of not so popular stores, but popular enough stores that are doing really well. Now, one thing to keep in mind, they only have like 28,000 Shopify stores on this particular website. The number of active Shopify stores in the world is like almost 600,000 or even more than that. So this does not have like a lot of them. In fact, it does not have my Shopify stores, but still, it is a good database of some of the most popular ones, and definitely something worth having a look at to get some ideas on what other popular stores are doing. The other thing I want to tell you about is, of course, it's been beaten to death if you've been watching dropshipping videos, but still I want to mention it. myip.ms Shopify. So if you just search for this in Google, you're going to see a list come up on this website, myip.ms, which is the list of all the Shopify stores. So they have almost 300,000 records, way more than Experito. And this is a much comprehensive list, and this is also sorted by their world site popular ranking. Now, I'm not sure what this world site popular ranking is, where they're getting their traffic data from, but still maybe based around the Alexa ranking. I'm not so sure. And if you go to say page 9 or something, you start to see some very interesting kind of stores come up. For example, let's have a look at shopvida.com. This is a PPE collection of PPE and masks and stuff. Happy Skin Co. And they are selling laser removal handsets. I believe this is like a dropshipping product that they have now branded, but I'm not that sure. But I have seen this particular product being sold on AliExpress also. This seems interesting. Toothpastebits.com. So let's have a look what this is all about. So all of this research is not just to figure out, what are the best selling dropshipping products and stuff, but to also see what ideas people are exploring in the planet that are working right now. It just opens your mind, it opens your horizon into what is possible, because the more you keep researching, the more you start visualizing and start seeing all of these websites. One, you get a good design aesthetic in what's working. You see all of this is pretty cool, right? The way they have laid out their entire website. You also get how to package products, how to show your reviews, how to write headlines and sub-headlines, and what sort of color combinations work really well together. So let's move on to the next one, which is shoppystores.com. Go to shoppystores.com, click on dropshipping at the top. You're going to see all the list of about 60 some dropshipping stores. Not all of them are dropshipping stores. I had a look at bestchoiceproducts.com. That's not a dropshipping store, but something like Woolish. So this is 100% a dropshipping store. So if you have a look at all the products, this is a general store where they're selling all sorts of dropshipping products. But still, this is something that's pretty popular. Alexa rank of 75,000. Now, Alexa rank is not always accurate, as in, just having a look at Alexa ranking does not tell you whether the store is actually popular or not, but still it is a decent enough idea. Like, this is getting a decent amount of traffic at least. And the interesting part is, if you look at the growing thing, like how much Alexa ranking increased. So this can actually give you a pretty good idea on which are the new and upcoming stores that are getting a lot of traffic right now. For example, ZZSales.com. So its Alexa ranking just shot up from nowhere to like 90,000. So we can actually have a look at ZZSales.com to see what kind of products they are selling, try to figure out their like best selling product. This is of course another drop shipping store. So this quick hack to just put in collections /all ? Sort by best selling. If you just add this to the URL of like the domain name of the website, then you get to see like the best selling items if they have not added like a JavaScript hack or something to not show this. In the websites where this particular link works, it's a great way to figure out what's selling for them right now. Now, the next website resource basically I want to show you is Find Niche. And findniche.com, if you go to the AliExpress tab here, you can even look at Shopify database in Shopify niches. But this Find Niche actually shows you all the like categories of products that are selling. But if you go to, for example, the Shopify database, here we're going to see a list of like Shopify stores, sort by like 14 days orders. So let's have a look at, let's say, country. So if you want to put in all these filters, by the way, you have to join this website, findniche.com. Just create a free account so that you can have a look at some more results than what we can see right now. So again, it's a pretty interesting way to find some interesting products and also some interesting Shopify stores that are out there. As you see, bluerogue.myshopify, budgetbay.com. So you get to see a lot of these new Shopify stores that you may have never heard of. The other resource I want to tell you is sellercenter.io. Here also you might have to create like a free account, login to unlock like a lot of their database. But still, here what you can do is you can have a look at the top Shopify stores. So here you're going to see a list of top 100 Shopify stores, and these are like mostly like super branded stores. But you can have a look at top stores in US also, the top 100 stores in the US, and you could even look at the Shopify spy tool. And when you like log in, you can see some more results on the top stores that exist. You can even have a look at their best selling products, their Facebook campaigns. If you have a look here, let's have a look at Satire.com. Let's have a look at the Facebook campaigns. It's going to take us to the ad library of Satire, and here we can see what kind of ads they are running. And the final place I want to take you is like just Google, where you type in site:myshopify.com and then a space, and then type in whatever phrase you want to type in. For example, 50% off. So here you're going to see a list of all the Shopify stores that have 50% off in their website somewhere or the other. And you can of course change this phrase to whatever you want, like free shipping, free delivery worldwide. You can do all sorts of phrases. And another quick hack to like find, say, niche stores. So you can even type in this kitchen. For example, site:myshopify.com space kitchen. So this is going to show you like Shopify stores where kitchen products are being sold, and you can keep browsing. And this is like one of the best ways to find out some very interesting stores as well as products, and can give you a lot of ideas. Just put in any like niche or sub niche. So even you could put in, for example, pet bed or something, right? Or say you already know a product that is doing very well, say a large pet bed. So let's have a look. So we get to see like bullybeds.com, Big Barker, Petcotco. So you get to see a lot of these, stores that are selling the large pet bed. And here you can start to get some, not just product ideas, but how to sell the product, what kind of angles they're using, what kind of copywriting they do on their stores. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And if this was, make sure you smash the like button below. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, okay, tata, bye-bye.